Oh, look at them. Isn't it pretty? Wow. Wow, look at all that. Ooh, those are so pretty. Aren't they pretty, Sean? There we go. Oh, look at it. They get a lot. Yay, yay.
Give me my shoes, Hannah. Hannah.
No, wait. It's okay. Wait, we're almost done. Ooh. Come on, so pretty. Look at that. Now you've got your hand. I know you're scared. Daddy's right here. Hannah, sit down.
I'm videoing it.
Yeah. Here, trader.
Yeah.
Take it off my neck.
I don't know where you got it out there. Here, what's wrong, Willow? Watch the fireworks.
That was cool.
I'll make it. Honey, do you want a big one?
Oh. Hannah, you're missing all the fireworks. Here, you want to sit on my lap?
Palm tree. I love how they put multicolors in them.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, that was bigger than a rocket ship.
Like that orange and green, that's cool. Wow. What do you think, Hannah? Whoa!
Whoa!
Wow!
how high that's going.
Here we go.
At the end, there's a whole bunch. Oh, it's so
So we could make a bigger one?
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be crazy.
Will it be louder,
Oh, yeah.
louder rocket ship? Blasting off?
Oh, that was cool.
Yeah, that was cool. Kind of cool. That was fabulous.
Oh, that was cool.
That's a Christmas color.
Where do they get to the boomers? The ones that thump your chest.
They've been letting them off already.
No, they haven't. No, that wasn't even a thumper. Palm tree. Saturn. Pluto. Venus.
I always forget that emblem.
The sun, the moon. You already said Jupiter.
Oh, did
Neptune.
Neptune.
That's cool.
Yeah. Drum roll, huh?
Cody, what are you using?
Oh, they're not done yet.